Still working on my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
I'm going to the Goodwill today. I'm looking for crystal and silverware. My birthday was last month, guys, and I know I've been gone for like 3 weeks. Haven't posted, but I'm trying to post every day in October to hit my goal and to make up for September. I didn't hit my goal last month, but it's okay. It's fine. And I thought I'd take my hair down too. So I kind of already finished all my, well, I didn't finish all my skincare, but the most of it. I need to open my other one like this. It's over there, but here we go. Trying to use every drop of this one. It's the slashes, so I gotta make sure it don't get all over my clothes. I just have on some Zara jeans and a bodysuit because it's hot. It's fall, but it's hot, so yeah. And after this, I'm just gonna do sunscreen. Thelios 60 Ultralight Sun Fluid. And I really need to go get more of this because this used to be so tea back in the days when I used to use it all the time. It goes on like super light. Super light. And I don't think I'm wearing any makeup today, y'all. So, again, I'm just running to the thrift store. So, it's not that kind of party. I have to go by the bank. A video just went up live this morning at 9. So hopefully you've already seen that one and you're on to this one because I need you guys to be tuning in every day. Every day you see me pop up. Click that button, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's take this hair down because it is just a chill, you know, day. Today is giving senior citizen. Let me just gonna put on a little bit of lotion. I kind of want to order that body butter from Lala because when she like rubbed her hands together at one time, her literally her body oiled up really nicely. So let me just put some lotion on my hands because you know how that is when you're doing content and your cuticles are dry. Just some that on my cuticles. Because I am running out of here and we're gonna see what the Goodwill has. All right, so I put on my sunscreen and it leaves this this is what I'm using. This is actually a sample when I used to work and I have tons of these still left, but this is the Thelios 60 and is the ultralight sunscreen fluid. So it's super light. Does this one have hyaluronic acid? It has antioxidant protection, but it's really good because it goes on super light, but then also it mattifies. Yeah, and it also mattifies. So I'm just gonna take my hair down. You guys know I'm a straight wearing hair girl. The last video, it was actually freshly washed. I washed my hair the week before my birthday, so this will make 2 weeks. I should be probably washing it, but I'm getting ready to take this out of my hair, so I don't see a need to wash it right now. I probably am going to wash it because I want to like plait it up, or I'll just oil it and plait it up and just wear it wavy. As you can see, this hair is going on 3 months old, and when I tell you guys that last video didn't give you a full review, I'll do a really quick full review right now. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. It is not raw Indian hair, but for the price, because you can look at the price and know that you're not paying for raw hair. You're paying for raw hair. You're paying upward close to $200 a bundle, right? Upward of that. So this hair doesn't cost that. I do believe that is from, hold on, just how I am maintaining it. Like, I'm washing it every 2 weeks and everything like that. So I really do think a lot of that is from that. And I normally wear my hair behind my ears. yeah. So I don't put any heat on my edges in the morning or anything. I just get up and go. Like, I'm gonna get up and go, mom. Okay. And if there's any like weird people on my that are subscribing that's here to like stalk my daughter because you're a predator, know that you have to deal with me and her 3 brothers and her dad. So not too much on my daughter. She's just my bestie and she'll happen to pop in and out of my content, but she's not up here for you to get your lust bullshit off. And I just thought I need to add that in here because I see like some people are following, and I'm here for the girls, and that's it. Maintenance that I'm doing on the hair that gives the hair its longevity, but again, like I said, for the price, and if you are doing great maintenance, like I put Sacred on it, you know, just to, you know, help with my flyaways. I won't be doing that today, but like when I'm wrapping it at night, I normally will just put a little bit of Sacred in my hand and I'll rub it throughout my hair, but like to smooth out my edges and to just give them some, like, add luster to my edges, because again, I don't put heat on my edges and they are coming back. And for anybody that was wondering about that patch, I'll open it up here. My hair is coming back. I'll put the video or the photo in. Like, this is where the patch was in here, and as you can see, my hair is coming back, and I am so grateful for that as well. That just has a lot to do with keeping heat off that area as much as possible. Also, I use the Sacred drops. Also, I micro needle, and I just don't like do too much maintenance on my hair. I wear my hair, like, guys, I'm in my 40s and I'm on the other side of 40. I'm not the one that's holding on to the 40. I don't have to tell you my age, but I'm on the other side of 40. And babes, I know exactly who my inspiration was. It's my mother and this one lady that used to come into my job with this long wavy hair. And I think that's gonna be the era I'm gonna be in. It's either gonna be straight or wavy. You probably will never see curls and all that. Probably my natural hair, but you'll probably never see like curls or this. I don't want to speak too fast because we are getting ready to start making some wigs on my channel. So we're gonna deal with the puffiness of our edges because we know it's growing. And with the Sacred drops, it's just hard to keep your hair straight without pressing it because it is a liquid. And then everything else, the humidity, showers, it's a lot go into it, but you just have to make up your mind. Do you want your hair to be gone with the wind? And at this age, I'm just working on getting it where I want it to be. So I just wanted to pop in to let you know, when shopping at Ross and Marshall's, don't be fooled. A lot of companies like Amazon's want you to believe that the stuff in these stores aren't from high-end stores. A lot of this stuff is from big brand stores, and it is liquidated down to a secondary market. I have a great example. When you go into Marshall's, you can find Zara. Zara doesn't have 2 and 3 boutiques. They're not sending Zara to Marshall's because they need Marshall's to sell Zara. It's because either it was a returned item, it was a piece that was like not too many left of the collection, and so they liquidated down to other brand stores, which is a secondary market. So when you go in Marshall's, Ross, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and you see designer and you see quality items, it's because it comes from big brand stores that have liquidated it down to a secondary market. So it's either the season has changed and they're getting rid of that collection. So when shopping, always look for high quality, of course. Make sure it's food safe. If you're looking for food items, make sure you always choose stainless steel when you're buying cookware. But yeah, when I come into this Ross, I always miss items. So I love doing these videos because I get to see things that my eye didn't catch. Like this little gold lady. Love that statue. Probably going back today because I wanted to get more of those wood items that I seen. So I love making these videos. I don't always put them up on my channel, but I love making them because I always find goodies when I watch them back. But I did want to pop in and say that when shopping, don't be fooled. Amazon will have you believe that that stuff is infested. It has bed bugs. That's so not true. This stuff is coming from Macy's, Nordstrom. You have to think about how many big stores there are that sells items all over the world. And when collections are seasoned out or it's been stored in stock rooms for a while, they have to have somewhere to put it. These pillows were $17 for the set, okay? And they were high quality. So I just wanted to show you that and just pop in and let you know, don't be fooled. And for sunglasses, this case stay full of Gucci, Balenciaga, Marc Jacobs. I got me a Coach pair of sunglasses here that are so tea, and I might pop in a clip of those. But yes, guys, this is the end of this video. Come back, how I decorate and what else I found. And Vlogtober.